Alright, so I'm going to show you how to fix the Optimize Geometry button on Avogadro 2. So to show you what I'm talking about, I got a molecule of pentane here. So if I want to fix the bond angles and distances between each of these carbon atoms, I would have to go to Extensions, OpenBabel, and then Optimize Geometry. But as you can see here, it's all blurred out. I can't click it. So this is a very easy fix, even though Avogadro 2 doesn't install with OpenBabel anymore. You just want to go onto your browser and look up OpenBabel. And then it should be the first result for install OpenBabel. You want to hit install a binary package and then go to the link that takes you to Github. Once you're on Github, you should have 5 different assets to choose from. So you want to choose one of the 2 executables and let it install. Okay, once it installs, you want to open the file and let it make changes to your computer, and you should have a screen that looks like this. You want to hit next, I agree, and then really important, you want to make sure the destination folder for OpenBabel is the exact same spot where you have Avogadro 2 installed. So right here for me, I have OpenBabel installing into the same folder that I installed Avogadro. So this is going to work just fine. Hit next, install, and you let the program install. And now that OpenBabel is all installed, you can hit finish and restart Avogadro. Now I've restarted Avogadro and I have another molecule of pentane here. So now when I go to extensions, OpenBabel, I can now hit optimize geometry and I have a good molecule to work with.